Mama wakwaba wofre me Addo searching mesro now was subscribing to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo Oman Penny Dada Mahama at the Ensembia Betudra Afa North-East constituency home. Na edensem ena Oman Penny Dada Mahama at the Atudra Afa North-East for home. Oman Penny Dada Mahama Ninsem Okin say for the past 7.5 years, His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo ena NPP amayoko no ebefa Ghana akondwa so mu di Ghana so no embesia de omo abobi papa na emome no omo antimi amfa nye hwe Oman Penny Dada Mahama ena NDC fo ni bi ekyerese His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo be president what is 6 regions aka 10 regions ana e wo Ghana hadadada and I 16. So 16 region no 16 regions I war Ghana hano. Oman Penny His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo enye hwe. Na yebeka ya Oman Penny Dada Mahama ekogina akontomra ahimfio se ehim ekoka se akontomra for NPP omo ba no mo shebo so omo be see one district one factory. Mu enyamonde anche ena His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo ekobie akontomra factory nanoa edie niwu poto ebre Oman Penny Dada Mahama wasanso akwakogina North East asanso akobaba nanu akoka se Nana Addo His Excellency wa brom besia pa akontomra eda de pote ena omo betimi de omo nsesi omo bo se His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo aye ede amomo na nyankopon so a won dai na nyankopon onim eniema pa NPP aban a His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo eda no a oye Ghana ye man pani oyenti wasanso agunani masibio ebusuafo yenti ensema Oman Penny Dada Mahama e kan no
10.5 billion cedis. Just show me in the Northeast here what transformation has happened in the Northeast here over the last 7.5 years.
I'm more than elated, impressed, and feel, included. We appreciate the infrastructure, the facility, and its role, its contribution, what it will bring on board the general development of this place and Ghana at large. Talking about the national cake, what I will say about His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, is that he's a visionary president. He is somebody who has shown that he intends to spread development across board.
The Pesenkpestem School is described as a massive infrastructure project that meets global standard for 21st century education facilities. It boasts state-of-the-art equipment and amenities that are essential for modern STEM, that's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The school features 12 science laboratories, smart classrooms equipped with advanced technology, a dedicated robotic class, and other facilities that are crucial, fostering innovation and excellence in STEM education. The presence of such cutting-edge institutions like the Pesenkpestem School in the Northeast region of Ghana underscores the government's focus on providing quality education and empowering students with the skills needed to thrive in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape. The initiative reflects visionary leadership that recognizes the importance of investing in education as a means of driving progress and transforming lives. It is evident that substantial efforts have been made to establish a world-class educational facility like the Pesenkpestem School in the Northeast region, which contradicts the claim that no project have been implemented by the NPP government in the area.
Ghana hanumo yen politics ye time papa titrupa ene NDC amayoku no chese NDC fo no tumi a omo painting no politics no omo ye ni biala NDC fo no omo behave as if say omo nim omo left from omo right. Currently NDC fo behave to say afena omo party na eyefofra omo ne NPP ebeko competition mu NDC fo na mo yesa sometimes oman penida da mahama or kasa na se wutie na nyame anso wakomema wan hwa bedi atem but ye mu bi no esan se ye free efi omo atete yen emu nti no yentimi endi atem anase yentimi ndi openi atem but oman penida da mahama wo ye bi o na me pa che se NDC fo no oman penida da mahama muntu me nchine je de in prempren ejina mu de oman penida da mahama mo nchine je dem na mungu me ne foforo mo nchene ha wa oba public obesi akasa ha obesi ate intro na odi ne so because intro no eye too much oman penida da mahama okojina kontomra ekoka kire mo se NPP ka so mo one district one factory na we he na ya migu wani mase na his excellency eko no commission one district one factory wa ye de ama kontomra wa sanso atumi yakukuduru akogina north east say his excellency na ran kwakufa do na NPP fo ba mo abron besia na enso no omo nye hwe e wo 16 regional e wo Ghana ha na ye wo 10 e na wa beti 6 aka na ye 16 onye hwe besia na wa bono his excellency edi no wonanum north east impuntujo be na na adra ya mamo yame asanso egu ani mase because mesi nyame no onim eniama pa his excellency eye na eniama his excellency ayede ama north east fo no so ababetodwa and this friend na moje now you see I don't blame NDC for Enoman Penida da Mahama. I don't blame them. I blame Ghanaians. Me blame me Ghana for by this time baby we are see adua ye koye we are see baby a ye din no Ghana for the yente yesisi yaso ene ye de kenke chinam meko sugar what on 50 pesos because what on 20 pesos now about 50 pesos in Ghana for entiase. There's this video circulating on social media. Ababa will be original GH1. Just know your face. Why you make up or cabrofo, but I do know in click it. Obia Yeniken Cabesi Quahuna or Tona. Obia Kotobina Wato pepper manono. What the bay politics? Ah, me mentioned I'm pecking by me to Kenki. I don't remember the last time we got to Kenki on ton. Pepper mammy. It depended, baby, I would say, and it depended, Johnny, I would say, Abadop, no restaurant, no, no boy, day. But we have restaurants where Ghana had no man, so could did out to say, yes, where did he? But I know so never film. Ghana father and boy, Wabro. But in summer Ghana, for your drain, and near my basa, a pesky a politics, dollar rates, Ghana who be $100. Micro. Dollar rate to cost we had to call her bunch in the boy, they brought in the boy, and adding a dollar rate out cost, so we couldn't $1. Na Ghana food, same musing and you do go money. Same musing, forgetting say, nay, what 10 regions were Ghana had his excellency, and I don't know for about 6 account in 16 regions. I am daring NDC for. And NDC for no social media, no more kasa, no more left from, no more right, and so more brown back country. And say 16 regions they all Ghana Hano. Region Bang and his excellency, Enfam Puntunjuma and Koro. I am daring Obia. We are in the country, I used to say, ye pay in Puntu, ye pay develop, ye pay some money developing, ye pay infrastructures, ye pay hospitals, ye pay crime, ye pay saying. Nanso aban ya we are the same people like complaining say ade na aban no or ya kwan no wodida hospital na wodida interchange na wodida the Ghana for me say I am daring NDC communicators no go social media no man including some media where dim trade dey say omo bra omo make say 16 regions na Ghana ha no region be na his excellency in developing. Yes, we understand. Say Ghana higher din. We understand. Say economy no enkoye. We are all suffering. But Ghana for na muti abrochi na mu yedede wo social media no pamocho. Abrochi no. O de yemfa ne say mo call ho no no. Enema bu wo fema tama COVID name by no. But obedi no kwara man yakopon after COVID enema te sen e wa amanone. Why are we doing this? Say obi one say nipa nankasa nipa sa na yensute obi betumi the 15 years aye o papa ma no fa seconds enye obone ure be papa ni na his excellency baye 16 regions ni na odin puntundwuma akọ 16 region Ghana 16 region efie bia mu enya mfaso because of free SHS yen fa no kwanto nchen drones are be deliver blood one district one factory na another AC STEM school science technology engineering and mathematics education sector yen fa education sector kwanto nchen so we will be a person on mind Ghana a move forward on mind Ghana konkanya na education sector nko point in ka dokon 50 pesos na sugar 50 pesos na dokon 3 cedi na auto na ka won fa politics madam Euraba ugina GH1 aye makeup o kabrofo you think that you have sense o de anka o de nka fa de foforo kwa politics o de dokon akoto dokun obi atombo kwa ma ntinti yen so ntin na don fi Jubilee House metwi moko ma na fa kodu kenke he this for den ha mo mana aden hey enyama his excellency ba wa baba ye the dollar rate na kata enyama ni na so na dokra na NPP for cross mo ha mo hu mo ko position some about yes mo ko position na mo fa membu ni mandisi for mo mebu na dollar rate ni Samsung ko 1 cedi 50 pesos ne yen to petrol 1 cedi wo krom ya ne obiare no 200 enti no asise mo ko MPP for cross mo duebu mo fa membu ni mandisi for free mo deka e be ya 2024 kwa mane yen to aba ndisi for mefa na ka Ghana from mo beto mo noko mo mo se noko wo hoyeje akwanya his excellency aye in the history of this country no president anywhere you acquiring his excellency and Addo Akufo-Addo no president anywhere see schools essing his excellency and Addo Akufo-Addo no president anywhere see interchange essing his excellency and Addo Akufo-Addo no president anywhere deliver ambulances ama Ghana essing his excellency and Addo Akufo-Addo no president anywhere you railway acquiring essing his excellency and Addo Akufo-Addo na do is onye den president ben and ode free education aba Ghana almost 8 years in the president ben mbra na ebeka he munja kenken na sugar na nsem hu na mu di no na yen bi Ghana fo na ya dwin na ye pe Ghana kan ko no ye dwen mmane aso kwa didi